no way. Price charts got us every single day. Money on the line, no time to play. Fibonacci's wisdom show us the way. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci night. Dreamers don't give up, no way. Price charts got us every single day. Money on the line, no time to play. Fibonacci's wisdom show us the way. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight.
Alright, I had to plug in my auxiliary. Son of a gun. Thanks for that, Gary. Can you hear me now? Test 1, 2, 3. Let me see. I don't even know if you can hear me. Logitech, here we go. Let me make sure this is working. Here, I got my own YouTube. Alright, so I got audio. I don't understand it. Works fine yesterday. Started working fine yesterday. Alright, we open? Not yet. Let me get my little alarms going. Three minutes to go. All right. Sorry about that. Dang, I don't know what the heck is going on with my audio. All right, here's the hour candle. We came up to the bear zone. Didn't quite get there. Fairly close. They decided to rip it down. We're still okay unless we get past the pivot. Today's pivot or today's daily pivot is 20,920.25. I threw up this little trend line here, which could probably be a little cleaner right there. And throw up some resistance lines here. I think I have one down here for support. 15-minute. You can see we just didn't quite get there. Rejected. So coming back to the pivot. It's a 15-minute short right there at 942. This is probably that 1 hour line, something like that. Here's the 5-minute. 5-minute short way up here. That was a good one if you caught it. And down to the 2-minute, which is where I'm going to reside today. At least for the first few minutes. Morning. Yeah, I went through like good morning. I went through like 2 different live chats or live streams. Just having some difficulty. I'm only going to be on for about an hour today. It's going to get slow, I think, after that. At least that's what I'm anticipating, unless something crazy happens. So I'm looking for a little flag, potential little flag setup here. See if we can get a little bump up and then a drop down. Actually, here, let me take care of this. Get rid of that. I'm going to be on this chart here this morning. All right. So 2-minute, this is the good 2-minute thing. I'm going to put nope, I'm not going to do that. Shit. I'm a little behind. I got up a little bit late today. Okay, we're getting ready to open here. 1 second. There we go. My stop wouldn't let me in. Wow, that was a great fill. Might not be a good one today. Nope. That was great. Should have been filled at 941 and actually should have taken one off. See if we can come out here and take out the high. Oh, you guys can't see my trade. That's okay. Great. All right, so if you take out the high, let's see where the London high is. Oh yeah, we already taken that out. The only thing to do would be to take out the low. The low is way down here at 850. Great. Okay, so we took out the high. Came up to the bear zone there, little rejection. Took out target one. There's target one. Came down, retested the opening range high. Opening range is how big today? Right around 25 points. Okay, we did what I like to do, which is to come back down, retest it, and then break above target one. Let's see what happens. Let's see if we can keep the Momo going. Nope, gonna get taken out. All right, wait for a flag. Sometimes I'm not seeing this forest. Gosh damn it. Right. And that should have been the play. At the very minimum. So what happens waking up late? All right, so we're up at the bear zone. Let's see what happens. Potential another resistance right here at 21,000. Also a big number, 21,000. All right, retesting the bottom of the bear zone. ES is up 18. YM is down 160, so the Dow's down. Nasdaq's up 100. Let me take a little short here. Come on, baby, give me something. I'm just like $1 late on every trade. Let's go down here 62. Let's get 62 and then 50. Down to 47. Don't like this. Getting up to that second resistance area, see if we can push through. If we can, let's see if we can get on up to 122. This is the bear zone, so we're going to get a, it's going to be sloppy. Okay, you got a minute 20 left on this 5-minute candle. Come on, stay up. Hey, sucker. Alright, so 75-point move up from this morning. Come on, let's go. Got it at 61.8, 954 of that move up. Got to be careful here. We bounce at the 50. And we no, so much for that. So all my indicators are pointing up. So I guess I better just think about no shorts. Okay, Gumby went short on Apple. It's 232.50s at 62. QQQ's 508 puts at 99. I'm going to wait for a trade here. We got the 15-minute high, 15-minute lows in. Looks like we're going to punch up. Did not get in. And you sucker fish. See if we can move above the 15-minute range. Got a 1 minute gap fill right at the bottom of the bear zone, right at 982. You see the high there at 981.75. Oh, there you go. Come on, you hit me and you didn't take me. All right, here we go. Top of the bear zone, potential rejection. Let's see if I can just cover some. See what it wants to do. It's in this big area. Just get rid of that. Pretty good entry down here, 979. So we got above the 15-minute opening range. See if we can come down and test it. Let's do 1020. See if we can hold above that. I'm not going to give it too much. I'll just give it a couple. Let's see, 1020. Suckerfish. Well, good top to bottom bear zone. If you're going to buy, this would be the place to buy with a small stop. Come on, stay up there. Nope, not going to. All right, out of the bear zone, 5 minutes. What do we look like? Potential short off the 5 minute. Going right into a 5 minute gap. That starts at 966. We're strong. Everything's up. I gotta try this again. But makes more sense to come down and go to the bottom of this buy gap. The question is, can I hold on? Always the question. We got ATRs around 17. Come on, go back down now. Yep, 10 o'clock news. Fuck you. What should we get down to? 46? Come on, let's get to 46. We can do it. why the hell I'm showing a 5 minute, but that's what I was showing. All right, we still have this 5 minute gap down here. Got a little more than halfway through it. Okay, 27 seconds. I'll wait for that. Wait for this close of the 5 minute. See if we can come down here to the 5 minute, to the bottom of that fair value gap, drop below the 1 minute weighted. Oh, there we go. There's some 10 o'clock news. The 10 o'clock news. I don't even know where mine. Don't switch. Trump put out some tariff information this morning, so I was anticipating maybe a little more of a move down, but apparently not. Let me go to my what's that called? All right, Richmond, Fed Comp Index, forecast was 11, previous 14, actual was 14. Medium home sales price 437. Yeah, not much. Not much. Okay, we hit the bottom of that zone, obviously. Let's see. I can get rid of that. I think there was another one down below it. Yep, the top of it was 934, and the bottom roughly at midnight open, 900. Actually, it was 934 and the bottom was 922. We had top control we came down and hit at 930. What did we get to? 929.50. Nice bounce. I don't know why I keep playing the bid. What the fuck? Back up into the bear zone. This is what I was trying to get as a break back above here. As the old saying goes, well, if you liked it up there, why don't you like it right here? Because you have a 1 minute open gap at 72. That's why you don't like it there. 15 seconds for this 5 minute to close. We closed that 1 minute gap, so we should be good to the upside. I guess should be is the key operative word. Hey, fucker. Well, another windshield day. Bug day, I should say. All right, I kind of like to potential for that 5-minute reversal. Why isn't my bar counter telling me? 6 minutes left. Playing around the 1 minute weighted moving average. Playing around the 1 minute opening range. 1 hour is not doing much. Still got a full hour to go. You got what could we go? Back down here to 31. See if we can get down here to 31. The longer we hang here, the worse, or the chance of going higher or greater, I think. Apple's at 233.90. Yeah, the more I don't like the short, the longer we hang here. I'm getting a lot of wicks. See these wicks? Means we can't go down. At least they're trying to hold it. They could fail, but look at the 5 minute. Wick, 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 wick. It's almost like a fucking duck. More wants me to just say, do that instead. Oh, maybe they just needed to go up before they could come down. All right, been struggling. I'm still struggling. Come on, let's go. Took me out. Good job. No tilt cup today. That's my problem. Shit, maybe this is the day today. Oh, there's the third. Come on, let's get down to 31. Top of the CPR right here at 30.75. We finally hit it. Great job. Time to fucking. I won't be here Friday. I'm taking Friday off. I'll be in Oregon. But yeah, time for me to get away because I'm about ready to freaking throw this computer away. Because that's my problem, right? It's got to be the hardware. Son of a bitch. Just not staying patient. I'm just not playing my game. Not sure why either. That's a nice candle. Nice 5-minute candle. See how much time they got left. All right, we got 10 minutes for IB. Let's see if we can get an IB play. Dropping VWAP, came and hit the pivot. Let's see, so 943, let's go down to 940. I don't know if we get up that high. I don't think so. Got to 38. Come on. Always take 3 off the 5. Okay, we still have 4 minutes left on this 5, so still plenty of time. The question is, can it get up there? I don't know. Oh yeah, Bahamas, man. Thank you. Appreciate that because that's exactly where my mind was going. And that is the beauty of the prop traders, right? Is you can frickin' blow everything, but you can come back the next day and start all over again. Which that's also the good thing and also the bad thing. But yeah, I'll get it back. I'm bummed right now, dude. I'm telling you, I am not happy. My trading just sucks. I'm just not doing what I know. I'm not sure, Gary, what got smoked. Fucker. Oh, AMD. All right, going to go retest that breakdown. Nah, I don't buy into the fit play of they're out to get me or anything like that. I mean, trading's trading. Back to top control, CPR. I'll give some back, but not too, not all of it. Come on down here, baby. Okay, that's not what I wanted. I wanted a 30-minute. Nope. There we go. All right, so let's see what we're setting up for. We got a minute left on this 5. If we come down and take out below VWAP, then say la vie. $15-minute. Yeah, looking like it's so far is short. It's going to be hard to get through this, I think. 1 minute or 1 hour. Okay, that's fine. I never really look at the 1 hour too much. Only when it's a new one. Okay, so I'll look for a break back above here, back above 53. I will look for this, something like that. Back below the 1 minute opening range, low. If we can keep going, we came back and hit top control again. Come on, baby, get on down here. Come on. Let's get some Momo back. Okay, there we go. Took one off at 10. So 35, 15 would be at 20. If we break VWAP, I'll actually take this out of the way. If we break down below VWAP again. Ideally close a 1 minute below. Might come up and get me here. Let's go. Come on back down. We got 3 minutes left on IB. IB currently residing at 919. So 15 would be my takeoff one at 20. I still may do that. If we can get that below VWAP. Let's go VWAP. Let them through. There you go. Nope. All right, I'll go back to break even. Trying to stay below bottom control at 930.75, 930.25, whatever it is. If you can just drop VWAP, VWAP's holding it up. People are either buying, trying to hold it in there. Looks like we might bounce there. Yep. Oh, come on. We're the sellers. What are we down to? Minus 1900 on the Delta. Yep. If you can't go down, you got to go up. got IB. I'll go for you, YOLO. You got nothing else to lose today. Down below IB, which will be dangerous because you got 10 points down, which means I'll be just outside of it for bottom control. We're running at 909.75, 99.75. Came back into the midline on the 1 minute opening range. If we get above, I don't know, 953, 950, actually above this white line here would probably be the play. Would probably be a long. Got to get above the 1 minute VWAP there, which is starting to bend down. So it was kind of a risky jump in there. It's probably kind of stupid. All right, there's IB. Yeah, that was a stupid play. All right, let's come on down to IB. Let's take it out. Got to get past the 1 minute weighted here at 961.50 to continue up. We did not take out the London lows. The London low is, oh, wrong one. Oh yeah. 851. All right, let's try that. Let's try. Oh, come on, baby. All right, take me out there. Let's go, you can do it. I think normally I would play this short, wouldn't I? There we go. Okay. Let's take that, and we'll take that up here. All right, we're above the 1 minute now. Our system says down, 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 and up, so it's kind of a chop, which makes sense. If I move this down to there, does that make a little more sense? makes a little more sense. All right. Well, let's not hope for an inside day today. Okay, so 5 minute. Eight seconds left. Let's see if it can stay like that. We got a lot of support down here, a lot of 5 minute gaps. I mean, there's just, I don't know how many. Quite a few. 1, 2, 3, 4 to the downside. Maybe they want to get through them. I don't know, but that was a good short right there. That's a good potential reversal candle right here. 5 minute. I'm actually going to move my 5 minute below the 1 minute opening range low, which is at 937. And actually, if we move up a little bit further, oh, I tried to take it, nope, got rejected. A little bit higher. Let's go back up to that 5 minute top there at 49. Oops. There we go. Let's keep going. Come on. The higher the better. Suckerfish. I will try that again. If we come back below 52, actually I'll just put it right there. We'll see what happens here. If we go up higher, then I'll revise that plan. Actually, I'll revise it right now because that was a nice little, probably a nice little 618 reversal. So what we did is from this high to low, we came down to the 618 right here and bounced up. So that reversal might not hold out, which is a bummer. Back to the 1 minute. I will. This one's not done yet. I'll get a backup going. Oh, wrong place. Oh yeah. I forgot his code. Not you. There we go. Okay, what if we get above 973? "22 seconds on this 5. How'd your Apple trade there go? Yeah, Apple went long. Back below the 1 minute weighted. Let's get back to a 2 minute here. That's a bogus. Get rid of that. Looks like we've come to almost a stop here. Watch out for the rejection here. We'll probably come down and fill this gap, I'm guessing. Back down to entry. I don't know if I can handle it. I don't know if this eval can handle coming all the way back down. I think the trailing drawdown will get it. So I'll take one off, take another one off. I'll move this guy up. I don't want to, but I don't think he can handle a $1,000 move back down. Oh, I don't know if I'm getting back in the green. I think that ship has already sailed. Ah, you fucker. So let's see if we can pick it back up right here. Oh, wrong way. Oh, couldn't get in. Oh, wouldn't let me do that. Fucker. I'll just keep it right there, Dan. Move this guy up. Came down and filled that 1 minute gap. right here. Let's see if we can make them move back up now. 5 minutes, got 51 seconds left. I'd like to at least take out the first one. It'll be 10 at 87. If we can do that, then it's looking pretty good. All right, took out. Nope, nope, not gonna get there. Come on, 30 seconds left. You can do it. High was at 86, and I'm at 87, so I missed it by a point. All right, close enough. All right, gonna go to break even. Next one off at 20 at 97. I like that. That's a good one to take off there. Uh-oh. Got a 5 minute gap all the way down at 71. So we can come all the way back down. Let's take out 97 first. How's that? Come on. No, what's my video quality? Yeah, probably because I got it. I got it at ultra. Ultra whatever. Ultra low. So, you know, we're only like 4 seconds behind. Plus, I don't have enough people, enough followers, or you know, during the day, enough people watching. But I hear you. I know it's bad. I think, you know, it just takes time. Hopefully I can get, you know, if I can start trading relatively decent, you know, then I should be able to get some more followers, which then will bump me up, I think. So I think the other option is, let me get rid of that. Because it says my stream quality, 60 frames per second. I have no drop frames. You know, I can try it and, you know, I can put it to a better quality, but then my lag time gets to be 10, 20 seconds, right? Like everybody else's. That's what I'm thinking. I'll give it a shot. I'll do tomorrow's a little. Let's see if you're going to come down and get me. I really don't want to be taken by that guy. But, yeah. I mean, it could come down 71. I don't think it will. Let's make sure if he comes back up that he comes back up with me, or I go up with it. Okay. How about, I could change it just to white. But red indicates obviously negative, but you can see that by the parentheses. I can actually change that pretty quickly. When I first started displaying that, I tried to show it, and I asked people if the red was okay. Everybody said yeah. I don't know what they were. I don't know. I couldn't see it. It was tough for me. Red's just a tough color for numbers. All right. We closed that 5 minute gap plus some. So I probably don't want to go long anymore. I could change it right now, but it's tough to get it, to find it on Streamlabs. You know, every morning I got to go searching for it. Because that little window, it's not a standard window. It's a custom little window that I built, and it's not. Uh, yeah, it's just not. I have to initialize it every time I start up. Yeah, I know. I was actually thinking about taking it off. It looked so bad. I didn't want to see it anymore. It was too much red. I was like, oh man, I don't want to look at that fucking thing all day. Yep. I don't know, Michael. I don't have any control over it. I mean, on my screen, it looks freaking crisp and clean. On YouTube, it looks like crap. Just make sure your settings, the max I got is 720. Just make sure it's at 720. Well, it's blurred. Those are actually, it's $200 in the red. uh, ignore, ignore the where you think you see a break in a comma. Ignore that. That's not correct. uh, oh yeah, I've been there, baby. Oh man, I know my wife, my wife brought home some 2.5s the other day, and I put them on. I was like, oh wow, this is what seeing's supposed to be like. uh, all right, well, thank you guys. You guys got me at least laughing because I was ready to go full on tilt this morning, man. It was not a good place to be. And I even came in thinking I was going to have some kind of restraint today too. Oh, that's funny. All right. Well, I'm hoping we can get down to one of these IBs so I can take it just for fun. I don't know if we will. And I want 5. I'm going to need 5. Well, actually, what am I up? 480. Yeah, I'll need all 5. Oh, nice, Cap. Yeah, yeah. Trust me, that's a hard task. All right. Where's the 5 minute? Let's look at that real quick. All right. Potential short right there. Should I take it? Ah, what the hell. Let's see if we drop back down. Not probably the best spot to go in at, but that's all right. Ooh, I love the way it fills it out. Nice, colorful. I'll drop my stop instead of 1,000. I'll try to keep it down to a 500 or something. Come on, baby. Don't break upwards. It might break upwards. No. All right, we got 52 seconds on this 5 minute. If I can get any kind of green, I'll probably take it. I'll take a little bit off. Come on back down. Wow, nice. I thought about doing it. The question is because we continue to age, right? And it continues to get worse. I think there's a well, I don't know if there's a level. I think it just keeps getting, potentially can get worse. I don't know how many times you can get it done. I'm going to go up. I'll try to stay a little above the 1 minute opening range. Oh, you can't see the trade. Here we go. Come on, baby. New 5 minute. It's not doing anything. Except for taking me out. All right, got to break up off this trend line. I don't really know if I want to take it. All right, above the yeah, I was working with this guy in Phoenix years ago, and he got his eyes done. And I swear, man, we had inside the warehouse, there was like, you know, the very top pallet, and there was a inventory tag on a pallet, and we were walking around looking for something. And he goes, "Oh, there it is." I looked up there, I couldn't see that writing, and he reeled off the numbers. And he goes, "Dude, I just had my eyes done. They're like 2040 or something." I was like, wow. I don't know, whatever the best number is. And he read those freaking numbers. And I couldn't even see them. They were just blurs. And my eyesight wasn't that bad at that time. So they actually can make them. Yeah, they can actually make them better than 2020. What's a better number? Is it a higher number or a lower number? I don't know. All right, let's try the long here. Okay, so he might have had 2015 or something like that. It was crazy though, man. I mean, for him to be able to see it, you know, it was probably good 20 feet, 25 feet, and to see like a 12 or 14 or maybe it was a 16 font. Like, wow, dude, that was pretty impressive. Hell, he could have went up there, put that pallet up there, and then went out there and find it and then reeled off the numbers like he knew what he was talking about. He could have fooled me. That's a possibility too. He was kind of a trickster, but a good guy. But he never let me know. He was just saying, "Sucker." I thought the prices came way down. Can't you get them for like $25.99? You probably don't want those ones, I guess. All right, what's Apple doing? Apple's up 240. Come on, keep going. And what's Nvidia? Nvidia's up 45 45 cents, 49 cents, 50 cents. Come on, move up. What do I got here? We got a 1 minute left. This could be the 1 minute suck back. Hopefully they don't suck it back too much and suck me out. Oh. Yep, sucked me right on out of there. So you're going to make on a 5 minute, look at this 5 minute candle. You make a higher high and now a lower low. That's ridiculous. That's not following by the rules. All right, I'll be right back. $3K per eye. Yeah. You know, I don't mind going for something like that. I wouldn't mind going to a doctor who prices that things out a little bit higher if they're good, right? Because you don't want any mess ups on that kind of stuff. But they're pretty successful now. I mean, I haven't heard any bad stories. And then you never can tell what you get either, because every surgery is independent of the other. Yeah, I've heard that's the way I've heard other people getting it done too. So, like years ago, my dad had to have he had scarlet fever when he was a kid, and so he had some scar tissue around his heart, and his heart it was failing. So they were going to give him a pig, one of his valves was going to be a pig's valve, and apparently it's pretty common. Done. He did the research. He lived in Virginia. He found the best surgeon who's done thousands of them, pig hearts. Barely any failure rates. He goes in there, gets it done by that surgeon, and it failed. He died 2 days later. So it just goes to show you. You just don't know. Could be just an inside day today. Let's see. Today's 50% is 20,972. Let me get rid of that pink. IB. Hot pink. So 50% is 972. So we're just a little above half or 50% of the range today. How do you like that, Michael? My son tried to talk me going into Mexico to do it. He said we could do it for 250 plus sneak a vacation. I can see you said thanks, son, but no thanks. Correct. Oh, my sister's actually was just in Vegas or in Mexico last week getting her teeth done. So they do a pretty good job on the dental, I guess. Across the border in Yuma. All right, looks like we're going higher. Got a 5-minute bust up. I don't think this PA's or this eval is going to last much longer, especially the way I'm trading. I'm going to wait and see if it busts back up above here. Oh. Please refrain from using foul language. Oh, come on. I don't know what the foul language was. Yeah, see, that's ridiculous. Let me just turn that thing off. I don't mind the foul. I mean, I've been cussing up a storm today. Let's see, how do I get in there? Chat bot. Let's just remove that part of it. New rule in the stream. You can cuss if you want to. Here we go. Just turned it off. Link protection is the only thing I got, so I just don't want you to come in and put links to other people's, right? That's fair. There we go. Well, kind of a choppy, sloppy day, which is what you'd expect, right? Day before, you know, the holiday. I thought about streaming on Friday, but I don't want to leave. I got one of those little microcomputers. Thanks, Michael. And I'm just disconnecting it and taking it with me. That way, all my information is protected with me. But the bad thing is, usually when I go on vacation, then I'll leave, and then I'll leave the computer running, and then I can just sign in using remote desktop software. Because your IP, I guess, is an issue when they see you have a different IP address. So it works out. Let's go, Copper. So is everybody green? So are you guys green? Maybe I should be telling you guys should be telling. Both. I make a beautiful candy ham. Well, actually, I make a good turkey. Honestly, I got a great recipe. And then I've got a ham recipe, dude. It's so simple. Put in the crock pot. Okay. Sorry about that. But in the crock pot, you put a ham, and I'm putting a 20-pound ham, and you use 1 can. It's so easy. It's 3 things: 1 can of fruit cocktail, 1 can of sliced pineapple, and you can do a cup of brown sugar. You could put a cup of brown sugar. I don't put quite that much brown sugar, but probably end up being close, maybe 3/4 of a cup. And just let that sit for 5-6 hours, man. And I'll tell you what, get a spiral cut. Yeah, I'll tell you what, dude, that is just, I'm telling you, make it. You'll never make ham. You know, I have had people come over my house and say they hate ham, but then once they taste it, because I make them taste it, and they become ham. They become ham people. So that was one of my sister's recipes. It's a good one, and so easy. Okay, Cooper, nice, nice. What's your Cooper? What's your game plan? What do you trade? How do you trade? What do you look for? Pullbacks? Damn, Lewis up 3K. Nice, good job. Yeah, this is one trade that I really regret. Well, I just missed it, and then I wasn't thinking right this morning. I don't know what the hell I was doing. I missed that trade right there. So from that, from here and up, and we came down to the 61A, bounced off, kept, well, actually, I'm sorry, it would have been right here. And we came down to the 50% and then bounced. But I missed that up. That was a 2-minute opening trade. It was just a beautiful move up. I mean, how do you miss that? How do you F that up? So you trade pivots with size. Oh, that's Lewis. Okay, you trade pivots with size in and out. All right, I like that. All right, Lewis. Nice. So you trade your pivots with size. Now, do you trade for bounces? Obviously, right here would have been a nice bounce. Did you have this as a pivot? 20,930? Just checking. What kind of pivots you use? Camarilla? What do you use? I don't know why my bar timers aren't working right today. Just curious. Okay, yep. Now with size, what are you talking? Do you do like 5 contracts, 10 contracts? The good news is when you're right, but when you're wrong, right? I guess that's the story with everything. Okay, we're dropping that little trend line on the 2-minute. Pre-market, 5 contracts open, 10 and above. Nice. Yeah. Everything's pointing to the up. These guys are all up. I really don't want to take a short, man. This could be all we get today. It's 11 o'clock. Things are slowing down. Day before holiday. Kofer just needs 250 a day. Yeah, I like the thinking, man. That was actually my thought this morning before I came in. Didn't work out that way. It should be 250 and 500. That way you lose twice and you're done. All right, we come down here. I'm going to sell them. We do a 30-minute, A30. Here, I'll show, this one will be funner to watch. Alright, let's go here. Let's go here. Alright. If I can get this one, this will be a better one to watch. I'm going to close that. I'll leave that one for right now. Now I'll take it off. This is a follower account. He just follows. All right, let's see. So the 5-minute wick, previous candle, 61. What did we get to? So far 58, 3 points. I think that's a good play. So if you would have taken that at 58, and you only got 6 points so far, I think. So 58, you need 48, right where I'm going to jump in. Oh, it looks like we might come up and get it. Still got 3 minutes 43 seconds left, so a lot of time left on this 5-minute. Why aren't you showing? That's right. Still 58. The low 61.25. Okay, coming down to VWAP at 934. Oh, what did I do that for? Oops. I'm a little behind here. I don't know what happened there. What was that low? 37.25. Missed it by a tick. There we go. See if we can get down to the pivot. I don't know if we can. Yeah, that's a good song, man. I really like it too. Like I do have it. I put it in here just so I could play it in case in case I was doing well. So I don't think I'm going to play it today. uh, I mean, I'm lucky. I'm trying to be good right now because, man, I'll tell you what, the stuff that's going to want to come out of my mouth right now is not. It's not a good thing. Let's see, Tuesday. Not a good thing. All right, Cap. Thanks, man. Appreciate you being here. Good trader. Oh, I guess I got stopped out there. Don't know if we're going to get anywhere. Come on. All right, new candle, new 5-minute. Looks like we got plenty of time. See if we come up here to the sell gap, 58. We'd like to probably close that gap. We're going to go long now. Bounced off VWAP. VWAP's going to hold it today. Let's see. VWAP held, VWAP held, VWAP held, VWAP held. I think that's your cue. Go back and look at like a 4 or 5 o'clock. And VWAP holds. It's going to hold probably the rest of the day. Let's try a little long. Get above the 2 or 1 minute weighted moving average. See if we can get above that. Sayonara. Oh, everyone's done. Vanity 7. Can you please not trade anymore? So you just pop in, never say anything, and now you're going to just come in and say stop trading. So maybe I trade for my entertainment value. For me, not for you. So I don't know what to tell you. I don't know who Vanity 7 is. Yeah, I don't either. I mean, bye-bye. Sayonara. Ciao. Arrivederci. Go get another name and come back. Or you probably already have 2 or 3 lined up. Lewis, man. Oh, that is correct, Lewis, man. If he would have come in and we talked about this, the last person I put in timeout. I only gave him a 10-minute timeout too, but if you warm up to me, and just say, hey, new in here, whatever, okay, hey, why are you still trading? You know what I mean? It's a totally different vibe and a message than just coming into a room, never text one time, right? Because I know everybody who comes in here and chats, and you don't text one time, and then you're going to come in and you're going to, hey, why don't you do that? Like, no. And all you would have to do is say, hey, how you doing? Da da da. Maybe not even da da da. Just, hey, how you doing? Hey, why are you still trading if you're down so much? Hey, totally different vibe. Oh. Oh, shit. That's right. That's right. Thank you. That's exactly right. Right? I mean, shit. At least buy me dinner or something. Shit. Say, at least get to know me a little bit. At least say hi to me. I could get really vulgar, but I'm not going to. I'm going to refrain. But you could, yeah, just say, hey, first time chatting. Why are you still trading? I mean, even that would have been good. Oh, that's funny. Whew, I had tears in my eyes, man. That's how funny it was. Oh. Maybe I should put a little window up here that says, "Hey, if this is your first time here, make sure you say hello. At least, how you doing? You know what I'm saying? Something." Uh, exactly. And man, with the video quality, how's he know what those numbers are anyway? Oh, I don't know about you guys, but I see 446. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Here, we'll just do this. I could just disappear. That way, you don't know. But I like to be, I got nothing to hide. Nothing to hide. I'm gonna have good days and bad days. Last 2 days haven't been very good. Probably should have took a cue from yesterday's trading, bad performance, to maybe trading micros today would have been a better play. Yep, that's correct. Yeah, which is fine. I mean, because the reality is we all fail at some point, right? I mean, you tell me a trader who's green every day, and I'll actually, there is one trader that's doing pretty well. At least his numbers every day seem to be good. But you know, you don't win every day, so you got to be good at losing, or at least maybe not quite the display I put on today, but yeah. And I'm getting ready to do my, well, getting ready to in the next 2 weeks. First 2 weeks of December have always been very good to me. So I'm hoping I'll keep that little trick going. 2 years ago was fantastic. Last year was just okay. It was okay. I don't think it was great though. It wasn't as great as I was hoping it to be. But you can see what we're in. There's just not much going on here. Let's see, do I have any more? I don't know if I would do that. I like this better. Pretty standard. Throw it into a wedge. Somebody popped in, saw the red numbers, and popped right back out. That's right. Big down day. But it is what it is. Back up to the 1 minute weighted, which probably doesn't have much weight anymore, as much as we've run it over today. I'm guessing anytime we get down to VWAP is a buy. I don't know if I necessarily want to go short up here at 70, but we're not far from, I think, where we were yesterday at this time. Nope. This was the area yesterday, and we're in a tighter range today. Yeah, I should put in there and a little message above the P&L there and say, if you're going to say something negative, first say hello. So I get about 10 hellos. Oh, fuck. All right, where are we at? '26, Tuesday before Thanksgiving, 8:34. Man, it seems like we've been on forever. Been an hour and a half. Michael, I was waiting for that. And I said to myself this morning, before I came in, I was just waking up thinking, okay, remember to play that 2-minute opening range. Remember to take that. What did I do? I got in, I think at 51 or 52, came back down, probably just to here. I probably just should have thrown my thing down, my stop down below that. Took me out, first loss. And then I think I tried to jump one more time, took another loss, and that was it. All right, we're not doing anything. I'm getting tired. Losing money's hard work, man. You know what I'm saying? Israel Prime Minister Netanyahu speaks at 1 p.m. Maybe some ball around that. What time is it now? Yeah, another hour and a half. I won't make it that long. All right, I will be open tomorrow for some more exciting trading until for 1 hour. I think I'm going to do my time 6:30 to 7:30, and then we're going to get on the road. So I'm bringing some furniture and stuff up to my son, and so I will do 1 hour tomorrow, and then Friday won't be here, but I'll do Monday. I'll start again Monday fresh. I'll try to pick up a couple of PAs, which I think I will. If not tomorrow, then on Friday. And hopefully have a couple for Monday. Okay. You guys have a good thanks. Well, I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. If you guys are here. But if not, if you're not here tomorrow, you guys are taking it off, then hey, enjoy the time with your family. And enjoy some time away from the market. Yep, it's all good. All right, ciao.
Riding the lightning of a million screens, chasing futures in the markets unseen. Price action whispers, Fibonacci screams, gonna make money, no tilted dreams. Clicking and scrolling every ticking line, charts unfolding like a poet's rhyme. NASDAQ futures, don't waste my time. Green candles rising, let's climb, let's climb. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. Second in the digital glow, markets wild, riding highs, riding lows. Futures unfolding like a thunderstorm show. Let that profit rain, let me feel it flow. NASDAQ dreamers don't give up, no way. Price charts got us every single day. Money on the line, no time to play. Fibonacci's wisdom show us the way. On the edge of glory, trading in the night. Every candle tells a story, money's tight. No fear, no tilt, just the thrill of the fight. Price action, rule book, Fibonacci might. NASDAQ dreamers don't give up, no way. Price charts got us every single day. Money on the line, no time to play. Fibonacci's wisdom show us the way. On the edge of